Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Indeed job search app account. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Let's get started. But before that, be sure you've installed the app on your phone. Now let's get straight to the point. First of all, open the app on your phone. Now on this page, you'll have to tap on the sign in option right above the create an account option. So simply tap on that option. You can see you can sign in using your Google account, Facebook account, or even your email address. So pick an option, whatever is the best fit for you. I'll just log in using my Google account. So tap on continue with Google and wait for it to load. As you can see, I've been signed in with my Google account. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.